This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Project Wingman. First, let's cover the basics of flight. You'll control your aircraft's pitch, roll, and yaw to navigate the skies. Pay close attention to your speed and altitude, as these are crucial for both offense and defense. Practice using your primary machine guns and missiles, along with your selected special weapons, to engage enemy targets effectively. Getting comfortable with these fundamental controls is your first step to becoming an ace pilot. Now, let's dive into some advanced combat techniques. Mastering high G turns allows you to quickly change direction, shaking off pursuers and getting behind enemies. Remember to deploy flares and chaff when an enemy missile is inbound to break their lock. Effective energy management is key. Maintain a good balance of speed and altitude to always be in a favorable position, whether you're attacking or defending. These skills will significantly boost your survivability and combat effectiveness. Choosing the right weapon systems is vital for success. Project Wingman offers a wide array of special weapons, from high-explosive missiles to precision-guided bombs. Consider the mission objectives and enemy types when selecting your loadout. Each weapon has unique characteristics, including its effective range, damage output, and firing rate. Experiment with different combinations to find what works best for your playstyle and the challenges ahead. A well-chosen loadout can turn the tide of any battle. Finally, let's discuss effective mission strategies. Always prioritize targets. Eliminate the most dangerous threats first, such as capital ships or ace pilots. Your wingmen are valuable assets. Utilize their support for combined attacks or to draw enemy fire. The battlefield is constantly changing, so be prepared to adapt your strategy on the fly. Staying flexible and making smart tactical decisions will ensure you complete your objectives and emerge victorious from every engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.